There are actually two reasons we need windshield wipers. Water has a surface tension, and so beads up on surfaces, such as windshields. Windshields are usually at some kind of an angle. So let's imagine that we're in here, you're driving, and here's an object outside, and light reflects off the object and travels in more or less parallel lines. When it hits this glass, which I've made considerably thicker than it is, just so you could see the point, that light is going to bend toward the normal, and then when it exits and comes back into the air, it bends back away from the normal. Well, it turns out that those light rays are going to essentially zig, but they'll remain parallel, so we see a very clear image of a rabbit. But the rabbit isn't quite where we think he is, but he's very close. Now, it turns out that when it rains, you can see here, I've got little beads of water that are on the windshield. And because the beads of water have curved surfaces, whenever light rays that reflect off the rabbit hit those beads of water, they are going to be refracted in more or less random directions because of the different angles that the light can hit on a given bead of water. So what we need to do is two things. We use windshield wipers to first of all push the water that's on the windshield away, or push most of it away, and the stuff that is left is spread out over the windshield. So it's pretty much flat. So it acts not like a beaded surface, but as a flat surface. You've been to an aquarium and you've seen fish in the aquarium, and you can see them pretty much just fine. And that's because there aren't these beaded types of surfaces for the light to refract in random directions. So I'm going to read what's here at the bottom. Windshield wipers push much water away and flatten out the rest, reducing the number of curved surfaces due to beading and improving visual clarity.